What's up, guys? I'm Reality Andy. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna build a PC in this NZXT H1 Mini RTX case. So I'm downsizing a little bit. This is the NZXT 500 case. When I did my first PC build on, this is the case. We're going from that to this. Now, I did have to buy some new parts. I gotta lie, spent $900, motherboard, RAM, case, $350. But some of the parts in here, I can put in here. I'm transferring CPU over to here. Graphics card can go from here to in here. Cables, blah, blah, blah. So what I ended up having to buy for the smaller build was a new motherboard, ROG Strix 390i Gaming with Wi-Fi. I bought some different RAM because this setup had 16 gigs of RAM. Mini RTX motherboard only has 2 DIMM slots. So I was like, let's bump it up. So this one's going to have, the new build is going to have 32 gigs of RAM, which I just went with the Corsair Vengeance 3200 megahertz, 2 sticks, 16 gigs each, 32 total. So another issue I had with the smaller build is the H1 does not allow standard 3.5-inch hard drives, which I had in here. I had a 1 terabyte Samsung Evo 970 M.2 drive in here, plus I had a 4 terabyte 3.5-inch drive for games and storage and things like that. I can't put that big hard drive in here, it doesn't fit. So I bought another Samsung 970 Evo M.2. So there's gonna be 2, because there's 2 spots on the motherboard. On that tiny little motherboard, there's 2 spots for M.2s. One on the front, flip it over, there's room on the back for one too. So that's good. This is just off of idle. This is only idle. I set the motherboard up in the BIOS to run the AI controlled overclocking, something I haven't done before, so why not give it a try on here? So these are the two I'll probably be watching the most: CPU temperature and megahertz for the CPU clock. Now you can see it's jumping all over the place here. That's just the AI playing with it, I guess. I don't know. These are the temperatures here. Like highest I got was 115. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the background, play some games. Okay, so as you can see, I have the temperatures and all that stuff running in the upper left corner. Just now at idle, here's the GPU, 95%. CPU is 124. I changed it to Fahrenheit because I live in the United States. We run things on Fahrenheit. And it's keeping a steady 4.995 megahertz, almost 5 megahertz. And this is that. Let's check out the settings. This is what I have on here. Custom, 100% epic. This is what I used to play it at. I played this like, I don't know, 3 or 4 times this year. So yeah, let's jump into a game and keep an eye on these temperatures here. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh wow. Okay, so we're the blue bus, I think. Let's go to Pleasant Park. Is that a sniper? They put snipers back in this game? Is it this one? Nope, it's not that one. That one, there it is. Never used one of these before. These are actually kind of fun. I don't know how to get out. Ah! Just lasered me. Well, that was fun while it lasted. Oh, I got one. How do I reload? Oh, there it is. Ooh. Damn. Okay, I've had enough of this game. There's a reason I don't play this fucking game. Here's the start of the game. You got GPU temperature. Max was 165. Held around 160. Not bad for such a small case. GPU usage, CPU temperature. Max 160. That's actually not that bad. That's not that bad at all, actually. So it's very fluctuated, but look at the clock. Stayed at 49.95 the whole time. So that AI thing works pretty good. So overall, cooling wise for the case, I like it. It's not getting crazy. It's not, as you can see, it's not like, you know, 190, 180. That's not good. 160, I can live with. And I like the AI thing. I actually kind of like that. I think I'm going to keep that on there. So, I think that's about going to do it. I was going to play some more games, but I don't want this video to be completely ridiculously long. Yeah, I want to thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on bell notifications, so if I make any more videos like this, which I probably will, because I like doing these kind of videos. They're actually kind of fun for me. What do you think my next build should be? That's a good question. What should my next build be? I'm going to build the wifey a computer here pretty soon, so I'll probably do one of those. What do you think we should put in there? I'm thinking small form factor like this. I might actually even do another NZXT H1 because I like it. It's quiet. It's not crazy, like, you know, monstrous, and she doesn't care about LEDs and all that stuff with her schooling and all this. She needs a desktop. Like I said, video's over. Take care of yourself. Peace. So